Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to check your Santander account balance online in 2025, whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Santander app or website. First, launch the Santander mobile banking app or go to the official Santander website for your country. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password. You might also need to use Santander key, fingerprint, or facial recognition depending on your security settings. Step 3. View your balance on the home screen. Once logged in, your account balance will be visible right on the main dashboard. You'll see a list of all your accounts like checking, savings, or credit, along with their available balances. Step 4. Tap for more details. Want to see recent activity or pending transactions? Tap on the account you're interested in. You'll be able to view a detailed list of recent transactions, available funds, and pending payments. Optional, use balance alerts. You can also set up balance notifications in the app settings. That way, you'll get alerts when your balance goes below a certain amount. Super helpful for budgeting. Tip, always make sure you're connected to a secure internet connection, especially when logging in from a web browser. And that's it. You now know how to check your Santander account balance online, anytime, anywhere in 2025. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more banking tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.